Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are back out here on the lake. It is day 2 of ice fishing season, and as you can tell, it's snowing out today. A little different than yesterday. It's awesome. We need the snow badly. So my brother went to go get some more bait, but we're in a different spot this time near a stream. So hopefully we can catch something over here, or well, I mean we did yesterday, but hopefully I can catch something more than just one fish. So that's my goal, to catch more than just one fish today. We'll see if that happens, but yeah, should be a pretty good day.
Oh,
are they going? Oh yeah.
ooh.
Got it?
Spit him. Spit it. Got him again.
Brookie!
Nice! Whoa.
Brook Trout!
Watch this, folks. Still got the bait in his mouth.
Bait still good?
Look at that. Look at that, folks. Take a look at that end.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome first trout of the day, Hunter.
Bait still good?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you got one on there.
Oh yeah. Feels pretty good.
Brookie.
Oh, what is it? Man, is it fighting good?
Looks like a salmon or a brookie.
It's something good. Oh, looks like a nice brook trout.
Brook trout.
Oh! Shut it!
Oh!
Oh, darn it!
That's
That was a keeper.
hey!
Shoot! That suck. Darn it!
What was that? Was that not a good hook spot?
Oh, I hear it's going.
Pull it up. You hear it going. Yeah, pull it right up. You got one. It's going right that way. You got him? Oh, he's swimming this way. Pull it up.
This is sad. This is sad. Here, give me a shiner.
He finally gets a flag after Hunter and I both have a
Oh,
trout.
it was going too. I could hear it.
Alright. Hey, I got
And
another
it gets
one.
away.
I'll go see what this one is. I just couldn't see the trap, so I picked it up and scooped it out. You got him?
I screwed that up.
You lost it? You lost it?
Joke.
This is really sad.
There you go. Got him. Yeah!
Hey!
Yay! Finally!
That's a nice one.
Best trout of the season for me.
Hey, that's a first
Third
trout.
day.
Finally! Second day. Second fish
Oh
of
yeah,
the year.
third trip of the season though. And that's your first trout.
Yeah.
It's a nice one though.
Not bad.
I knew
it
the
is
trout
nice.
because he came back.
Awesome. Another brook trout! Brook trout! Woo! Nice one. Caught one another day, finally. That's him. Holy. Salmon! Woo! Yeah! Awesome, last one of the day. Looking there, he stopped. Thought he was going to be off for a second.
Real nice fish.
Whoa! Monster!
3-pounder!
Woo!
I told you I was going to be a keeper.
Yeah!
Dennison Smith!
Oh yeah!
Dennison, look at that!
Wow, I'm going to get the big cat. Yeah, what did you say?
Hold on. What did I say when I was coming out of this trap then?
Gonna be a nice one.
I was going to keep this fish.
Oh yeah. Wow.
You want to take a picture?
Yeah. Beautiful.
Woo!
Okay.
Let me see that.
Awesome. Yeah.
Leave it right there for a second. Okay.
Nice.
That's the biggest brook trout I've ever caught through the ice right there.
Beautiful.
And I'm packing this trap. I'm done for the day.
Good job, Hunter.
Well, I come off the island. We're just about ready to cook lunch. I had a nice fire going and I'm like, I'm done for the day. This is going to be a nice brook trout. I'm going home and going to keep it. I didn't think it was going to be 18 inches. What, 3 pounds?
Easy.
Yeah, easy.
You gotta weigh it. You gotta way to weigh that.
Well guys, it's about 12 o'clock and today's going well. As you can tell, today is going really well. I caught 4 brook trout and 1 salmon. Much better day for me than the first day was yesterday. I managed to catch a brook trout today, but today is overall a much better day because within like 4 hours we caught as many game fish that we did yesterday in about 8 hours. So it's going really well. Hopefully today's not over. My brother's taking Hunter back. He has some stuff to go do. But me and my brother are gonna stay out here another 2-3 hours. So day's not over. I'm sure we're gonna catch a few more brook trout. And yeah, it's a really good day. And it's snowing. It's snowing pretty good. Putting down, probably put down about 5 inches, maybe even more than that. So that's why I try to get the GoPro out today, so I don't have this thing out in the snow all day. But yeah, hopefully we can catch some more brook trout. We'll see. 14 incher. Beautiful, man. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome.
Beautiful, Brook.
Beautiful. Yeah. He was booking it. It's a nice one, Deanna. It's a nice one. It's a nice one. Come on, get up there. Sinker came out. Wow. Woo! Yeah. 14. Beautiful. Beautiful. Of the day. Yeah. Trout for the day. For me. Off that way. Not going yet. Oh yeah. The little Brook Trout. Beautiful. 10th one of the day for me. Awesome. Okay. We still got a little bit left. Here's some more and catch some more. Well, we're getting ready to get off the lake. It was an awesome day. We caught 23 brook trout. All together, all three of us.
Yeah.
Got 23 brook trout and 1 salmon. So it was a much better day for me than the last day. Yeah, I don't know what happened the last time we were out.
I don't either.
I'm setting the trap the same way I did that day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then I don't know. They like me over here.
Yeah, you outdid me today.
Yeah.
That
I
never
outdid
happens.
Hunter too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, he caught the 3-pounder, so.
Yeah, well, I got 10. I got the salmon.
Yeah. 3-pound brookie though, that ranks pretty high.
But 10 brook trout, the salmon.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess. I don't know. We need to talk about that one. Anyways, it was an awesome day out. Beautiful day with all the snow. And I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. And I'll see you guys on next time. On the next video.